Hey everyone, welcome back to Space But Messier. I'm Tony, this is my new studio, and I think it's time to decorate it. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna unbox something really cool. This is not an endorsement, professional endorsement, like a paid endorsement. I found this, I really liked it, and I wanted to buy it for my office. So I'm going to be opening these Space and Beyond boxes. I spent this with my own money, so this isn't like some stupid like influencer thing. So obviously like nothing is set up here. So let's open it. Let's see what's inside. And then we can decorate this place, shall we? Okay, let's do it. Okay, so if you guys don't know Space and Beyond box, basically I was looking for a subscription box that was for space enthusiasts, and I was like, oh, maybe I should create one. And that was really difficult to do. So this one's cool, look. It's got like Jupiter on the side. This one specifically is themed for, I think, NASA? Is this the NASA themed one? Let's see. So it comes with this Space and Beyond box, like newsletter. It tells you what's in the box, which is really cool. This one has, a Space Shuttle Atlantis model? What? It has a Martian Regolith Simulant, not a stimulant. A visual history of spacesuits, which is cool, and spacecraft flashcards, astronaut, food ice. Okay, I'm trying to find what box this is. What, like, there's a theme to every box, and I just don't know which one this one is. This is Apollo? I'm done. Space exploration exclusive. So this is all about space exploration. So this is cool to read, but let's see what's actually in the box. First thing we have is Neapolitan ice cream sandwich. So this is apparently what astronauts eat. I don't know if this is real. Astronaut ice cream was invented for NASA's Mercury missions. Oh, this is real. Okay, cool. Next we have spacecraft flashcards. Oh, sweet. There's 30 cards in here. Let's open it up. All right, spacecraft flashcards. Let's see if you can get up close there. Let's see what we got. Oh, sweet. Okay, so they're really like, they're like really cool photos. Oh, sick. Okay, so this has like photos of what it actually is on it. Sorry, you like can't see anything. Here we go. I'm gonna like, maybe I'll put it like on the table and I'll take other shots of it so you can actually see what the stuff is. Sputnik, really cool. I don't know names of half of these. Okay. And it has everything. Oh, and my favorite one. Oh, could it get any better? There we go. Voyager 2. Cool. Okay, so we've got flashcards. I'm gonna go through all of these. All right, flashcards, ice cream. Oh, a Mars 2020 patch. So Mars 2020 is Mars Perseverance rover. Also, do you guys like that? My daughter painted my fingernail yesterday. So, okay, so Mars 2020 patch, which is awesome. Oh, I want to say that for last. Okay, a die-cast metal historical airplane. This is of the Space Shuttle Atlantis. So let's open that up, actually. Wait, should I keep it in the box? No, that's dumb. I'm not gonna keep it in the box. I'm like not about keeping stuff in the box. Actually, you know what I am about keeping in the box? I don't know. I got those NASA vans, like these. But they're the NASA ones, and I haven't worn them yet. Cool. Stand. I've always wanted one of these. Don't break it, don't break it, don't break it, don't break it. Oh, we gotta shimmy it, just a little bit. Ah, look how cool that is. So for those of you who don't know, I really like video production. I'm actually a video producer for my job. That's what I do for a living. And so eventually I'd like to have like a really professional setup where I control the lighting and it's like, yeah. Eventually I'll do one of those videos like this where I'm like, this is my studio before and this is after, you know? So I'll do that. Okay, well this can be, I'll put this right here for now. This is cool. This is like oh, sorry, I'm not telling you what this is. This, I think, is probably the visual history of spacesuits. This will go right on the wall. Come on, I don't want to hurt you. Very cool, okay. All right, I'll flatten this out and get a better shot. You're probably looking at the shot right now as I'm talking because that's what I planned in my head to show it to you like that. Okay, so I'll put it out like that. This is the cool one. Check this out. Mars Regolith Simulant, a replica of the surface of another world. Very cool. Oh, okay. So it comes in this guy. And it shows the chemical composition. If you were to travel to Mars and scoop a handful of the surface dirt, this is exactly what you would get. Oh, we have to take it out, right? Oh, wait, is it bad? Maybe I shouldn't. But we'll just do a video on this. I'm scared. I don't want to take it out. I'll look it up. It says like chemicals here. I can touch that, probably. Well, we'll save it. Okay, let's see what else is in here, and packing material, which is great. So, in this, we've got our Space Particles edition for space exploration. We have the Space Shuttle Atlantis. Don't fall. We have this cool poster of the visual history of spacesuits. We have Martian Regolith, Simulant. We have Mars 2020 patch, spacecraft flashcards, and Astronaut ice cream. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more of these boxes, so I'll keep opening them, decorating this behind me, and we'll get going. This is just a fun Friday video, so thanks for joining. Thanks for helping me decorate my new studio, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.